It's hashtag TBT. And for Throwback Thursday this week, we have the second part of a video from museum volunteer Michael Mcbride filmed at the San Luis and Rio Grande Railroad in May of 2008.
While the Antonito train is backing into the depot, number 18 backs out of the storage track in anticipation of connecting to her train to leave at 9:30. This GE B39-8E engine was built in the 1980s and prior to coming to Alamosa hauled coal trains in eastern Kentucky.
Do you have any home movies or photographs that feature the Colorado Railroad Museum, the museum's equipment, or Colorado railroads in general? We'd love to share them. Contact the Colorado Railroad Museum's multimedia coordinator, Matthew Isaacs, at matthew@crrm.org or call 720-274-5141.
Here at 8:15 a.m., the first train of the morning leaves for Antonito.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Commenting and sharing in particular may qualify as virtual engagements for important funding programs like the SCFD.